Walking for weight loss. Walking for weight loss is easy and best of all it's free. You do not have to join a gym or a club to be able to walk. All you have to do is step right out your front door. Anyone can do it, even your kids. It can be quite enjoyable to get out of the house and go for a walk in the morning after breakfast or in the evening after dinner. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. It doesn't matter when you go, as long as you go. Walking for weight loss should be combined with a healthier eating plan as well. This combination should net you up to a 3-pound weight loss per week. Start by buying fresh, healthy foods and measuring out single portion sizes. Portion sizes is the biggest problem some people have. They just do not know when to stop eating. You might even be surprised that a single portion size is the size it is. When you realize that you have been eating 3 or 4 portions of something all at one time, then it will make sense to you why you are overweight. If you make up a meal plan, then limit yourself to about 1200 to 1500 calories per day. This range is the perfect amount to lose weight at about 1 to 2 pounds per week. You may see a big drop right in the beginning, but what you are seeing is your body adjusting and getting rid of water weight first. Eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables along with lean meats like chicken, turkey, fish, and shrimp. Lean protein helps build lean muscle. Whole grains provide the fiber and essential fatty acids your body needs, so stock up on nuts and seeds like almonds or sunflower seeds. Watch your salt intake and stay away from sugary snacks and breads made with white flour. Before you start your daily walks, go buy a new pair of shoes. A good pair of shoes with the mesh upper will help your feet breathe and stay cooler during your walk. Dress in layers for the weather changes that can happen, and just tie your jacket or sweatshirt around your waist should you have to take it off. If you are interested to know how far you have walked, then get yourself a pedometer. A pedometer measures every step you take. If you count as you go, you would need to count 2,000 steps to measure 1 mile. I think it would be better to have the pedometer do it, frankly. That way you could listen to music or talk with your walking partner instead of counting. Otherwise you could just clock a certain distance with your car, then you would know how far you walk without having to guess or count your steps. Try to get in 30 minutes of walking for weight loss per day. Increase the intensity and do some power walking once you work up to longer walks, or do some basic interval training. Of course, the more brisk you walk, the more calories you will burn. It only makes sense that one of the best things you can do for your health is to use the body in a way it was designed for. But none of this matter if you don't take action. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.